Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change email Amazon shopping on computer. So how to change email Amazon shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on the Account menu here. And many options will appear. Tap on the Login and Security menu. Now on this menu there are lots of options. Tap the Edit button next to Email. Now here you will be asked to enter a new email that you will change. Tap Continue. Now here you are asked to enter the OTP code sent to the email that was just entered. Tap Continue. Next here you will be asked to enter a password. Tap Save Change. Now here I have successfully changed my Amazon account email. So that's it, tutorial how to change Amazon shopping email on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.